These faceless YouTube channels are getting millions of views with quiz videos. Some of you might wonder how to go viral from scratch very quickly. Well, I have the solution. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos in just 10 minutes using AI. By doing this, you'll gain thousands of subscribers and get a lot of views for free. Yes, for free. Some of you might also wonder if this quiz content is monetizable. The answer is yes. So, no more excuses. You can start your YouTube channel and save a lot of time and effort. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Then search for YouTube video. To design the video background, go to Elements and search for Spiral Background, then select the one you like. Decrease the transparency slightly and set it as the background for your video. Each quiz will be 10 seconds long, so I will reduce the video duration to 10 seconds. I will go to Elements and add this shape, where I will place the question. I will add a border to the shape and change its color. This square will contain the quiz number. To add the question, I will copy and extend the square. I will also add a frame for the quiz picture to make it look more attractive. Now, I will add 4 rectangles for the answers. I'll insert text in the first rectangle and duplicate it 3 times. Next, I will add a 10-second timer at the top. To make the timer circular, I'll add a circle frame and drag the timer video into the frame. To create the quizzes, I used ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 kids' animal questions, each with 4 possible answers and the correct answer. Let's add the first question to our video. The question is, what do pandas mainly eat? So I'll insert a picture of a panda into the picture frame. Now, to create the answer slide, I'll duplicate the first page and reduce the duration to about 3 seconds. I'll remove the timer and replace it with a cute picture of a child. Since bamboo is the correct answer, I'll mark it by increasing its size. Adding a check mark icon, and changing its color to green. Now that we have the question and the answer, let's add some effects to bring the video to life. To add a voice to the video, search for text-to-speech in the app's icon. Copy the question, paste it there, and click Create Voice. Do the same for the correct answer.
What do pandas mainly eat? What do pandas mainly eat? The correct answer is bamboo.
To make the video more engaging, I will add a bell sound for the answer part and a countdown sound for the quiz part. Let's preview our wonderful video.
What do pandas mainly eat? The correct answer is bamboo.
To add more questions, simply duplicate these 2 pages and update the question and answers. For a video transition between each quiz, search for video transition in the video section. I've chosen this one and will place it between the two questions, adjusting its duration to about 2 seconds. Now, let's check out the finished video.
What do pandas mainly eat? The correct answer is bamboo. What is the fastest land animal? The correct answer is cheetah.
It looks fantastic. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want to use this video, you can find the editable Canva template in my Telegram channel. Thanks so much.